I tell you one thing, it's special someone because everybody lose nights, days, sleeps, everything for someone who loves you. So you are the only person I'd lose sleep for. Do you know that? You are the only person I can't go a day without talking to. Like, I literally can't sleep if I haven't talked to you all day. You cross my mind every single day of every second. You make me so happy. It's like all my sad days have been erased. I still love all the things you do, from the big things to the small things. I love every part of you that you show me. I really wish I could tell you how much I love you, but I can't even begin to describe it. I just can't wait to show you when I see you in person. I just can't wait for the day my lips meet yours and I am able to gaze into your eyes and get lost in your soul. I want to be the shoulder you lean and cry on. I want you to be able to tell me all your secrets and how you feel. I want us to be able to break down each other's wall without hesitation. I want to be able to let me know when something wrong or when you feel alone. I don't want to feel alone anymore. I want to know that I will always be here, even I were not talking and even when we're mad at each other. I want you to be able to come to me about all your problems and issues. You gave me a reason to wake. You gave me to reason to wake up in the morning and be happy. When I hear your voice, I just want to hug you so hard to the point where you can feel my love and feel my heart beating through my chest. And I love you.